Good day, everyone. Welcome to Engineer Construction Lecture Hub. Today, we are going to discuss how to calculate for the cutting length of a rectangular stirrup. Now, you know that stirrup is what keeps the main bar in position. All right. So, for example, we have our main bar here. Okay. We have, for example, we have a bar in this form. Okay. We have it in this form, okay, positioned at these various points. So we have 4 bars. So it is a stirrup that helps to keep these 4 bars in position. So it's important that we are able to calculate the cutting length that will be able to form this stirrup. All right, so our emphasis basically is at the end of the day, whatever length we get out of this, okay, we are expected to use that length to measure, okay, to measure maybe to this point. All right, so when we measure, it is from this length that we can now bend to obtain this. So let's go. So when we have a cross-sectional area in this form, we have the overall the depth of the beam as 450. We have the breadth as 230. Okay, now if you look at this now, the stirrup now is unknown on the breadth axis, while the depth axis is unknown. We use B, A and B. All right, so we must have the diameter of bar. In this case, we are using 16 mm. It's stated here. Now we have the concrete cover. The concrete cover here is 25 mm. All right, so the next thing you have to do is to calculate your A, which is unknown. So A now will be equal to 230, which is the breadth, minus 2 times 25. 25 here becomes your concrete cover, minus 16, which is the diameter. So you have 164 millimeter. Then for B, you have 450 minus 2 times 25, which is the concrete cover, minus 16. You have 384 millimeter. All right, then you calculate for the hook length. All right, the hook length here is 2 times 10 D. Okay, then D here is the diameter. All right, now you have 2 times 10 times 16, which is 320 millimeter. All right, then you have your cutting length of rectangular stirrup. Now the cutting length here is A times 2. Okay, you multiply this since it's 2, okay, in 2 direction. Same thing as B times 2, which is this by this, that is 2 of this. All right, plus the hook length. Okay, so we have the hook length as 320 millimeter. Then when you work it out, you add all of this, you now have 1416 millimeters. So it is this length that you are expected to cut from the reinforcement for your stirrup in order to achieve this shape of stirrup. All right, so please do well to follow this page if this is the first time you're coming across my video for more updates as regards to construction. Thank you very much. If there are questions, you can drop them at the comment section. All right, do well to stick to Engineer Construction Lecture Hub continually for updates as regards to construction. Thank you so much for your time, and do have a wonderful day. Thank you.